All right, let's do the wheel. Brought to you by Proper Wild. Deliciously juicy energy shots and energy gummies to deliver the perfect boost whenever you need to wake up and stay fun. No weird ingredients, just good, clean caffeine. Best-selling flavors, are peach mango, strawberry kiwi, and blackberry. 46 hours of energy, 5 times more caffeine than a shot of espresso, 15 times more L-theanine than a cup of green tea. Use code WILD. I had the hiccups. Use code WILD for 30% off at properwild.com. No one was going to check on me with those hiccups.